Hello everybody, this is Simeonski. Welcome to another Rec Room tutorial. In this one, I'm gonna explain to you one of the mechanics that I used in my games and also show you how you can build this mechanic into your game step by step. Okay, last time I showed you how you set up a room currency that you can use for buying stuff. I'm still in that room now, and today I want to show you how you actually can use these consumables that people buy. So there is some tricks to it. Let's say I will show you the example for the flying consumable. You can have other things like giving people random tips, maybe gaining access to a certain area. This can all be done with these consumables. Of course, you can also, consumables is one thing you can do in this thing, but what you also could do if you want to give people access, so you could also create room keys here in the this room settings and make people access some VIP areas, for example, and this can also be bought by tokens. The difference between a key and a consumable is a key will be purchased only once and then it will stay with the person forever. So the key could, for example, be flying, could be access to special areas, something like that. And the consumable will be used only once, and then it needs to so it will only stay active for a certain time. So that's the two things that you can actually let's see, maybe there's a key, and see it's different. That this is the key sign. I wonder if there's a little image on top. There should be a little image on top if I'm now going to the settings and keys and make a picture for the key. Whatever, let's make the window the picture for the key. And now it should show the, yeah, it's showing a little bit key item, so people know this is a key, you buy it once, then you have it. This is a consumable, you can buy it how often you want, and then use it. So, how do you set up a circuitry for this flying thing, for example? It's so, so you have different consumable objects. You can award consumable also with circuitry. It doesn't need to be bought, but you can also buy it. And we are here in the currency setting, so that's why we want the consumables to be bought by people. So you need all of these constant. One is consumable activate, then consumable constant, and consumable deactivate. So first you will have to select the consumable, want to be, it will be flying. And then how do you actually trigger the action? Therefore that we will need a event, because you can only activate, I think, no, not sender, receiver, from the backpack. That's, at least that is the main way people would activate their consumables. You can of course also activate them right when they are bored, something like that. But the normal way would be people open their backpacks and use their consumable they bought. And for that we have an event receiver here, and just type consumable, and there is a thing that's called consumable used. Okay, we need to connect the and then we need to do some testing here. So whenever this is triggered like locally for the player that's playing right now, I think so at least, yeah. And and we have to have an if chip in between that, and an equal chip. Okay, so it's starting, consumables used. So it's first testing. Now if the consumable used is exactly this consumable here, and then it will continue with whatever's happening. If it's another consumable that's being used, it will not continue this chain. So then we need to activate the consumable. It's very important that the consumable activate and consumable deactivate will be in the line. You have to have both, otherwise the consumables will not work. So, or will not vanish when it's used up, something like that. And for this one, we want to give a role, player add role, and give this person the role of flying for, let's say 5 seconds, something like that. So we put a delay. So it's adding the roll, then there's the delay of 5 seconds. So I will now just show you how you create it. After delay, the consumable needs to be deactivated, so it's used up. But that's already actually, and of course you lose your role. So player remove role, consumable will be deactivated, you will lose the role fly. And this you can do with different roles. You can do the flying thing, you can do the invisibility, being faster, which is basically the same circuitry all over again, just with different roles. And of course, for this to work, you will need a roll chip with the certain role. And you can be creative here with this. This is now flying. We call it fly. Then we can edit it. And as you see, you can do a lot of things. You can stop people from moving, which doesn't make sense, of course, but here you can have the flying enabled, which is the role that we are doing now. And there's other things, hip slots. If you want that, people can buy hip slots. Shoulder equipment, voice. If you want people to have a loud megaphone for like a minute or something that they can buy, you can do that here as well. Locomotion things, more run, things like that. You can ram, get pushed, or even the sprint multiplier, so they will be faster. All these things you can do with different roles that people can buy. I'm doing the flying here now. And of course, if you want to inform the people about what's going on, you can also add a player subtitle in between and says, yeah, maybe for the sake of showing how it works, I will not use the subtitle now, but I will use notification now. No, where is it? show notification, yeah. Just that you see what's happening. I wouldn't suggest you to use notification. I would suggest you to use the player subtitle because it's less invasive, but that's what you can do. You can just collect this, say fly, and then tell the person also after it's deactivated, fly yeah, this would be the way you can basically use the consumables. So let me show it to you one more time. So once it's your room, you can always buy as many consumables as you want for no money. Other people will have to pay money. So how will you activate it? You will go to your backpack, room inventory, and there it is, fly. And if I put to the use thing, it tells me fly activated, and it also shows me that it's active now here. And after 5 seconds it's been deactivated, and you see I've used up one now. If you use it again, it's activated and it's been used up. So that's how you basically do the consumables. Let's go through the circuitry one more time. I'm not sure if this is actually local. So to be safe, I think it should be local, but just for you to be safe. Oh no, there's no player, okay. To be safe, maybe set a if player is local thing. And there's no player coming out. No, it should be working without that, yeah. So, yeah, I think it worked without that. So the circuitry would be you use a event receiver, then you check and call it consumable used. Then you check if the consumable is the same. So this one that's coming out here is the same that you set up here, which will be fly for now. Then you need to activate it, otherwise it doesn't work or it doesn't go down. Yeah, basically the number doesn't go down if you don't do that. And then you add the role for the player, which is fly right now. Show notification, or better, player subtitle. And then you have a delay of some sorts. 5 seconds is of course way too less. You might have it for like 1 minute, 5 minutes, something like that. And then you have to deactivate it, remove the role, and show the player that his flying role is over. That's basically how you activate consumables. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like and subscribe the video if you liked it, or leave a comment. You can also leave comments on what you want to see more on this channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.